There's our waiting for skip day. That doesn't seem to be coming this year. It's all this, my little pile there. It's all waiting to come. So, hello everyone, can you see us there? Just make sure everything's alright. Thank you everyone who turned up for the live stream last night. I had a blast. I'm going to try and do that once a week there now. I'm not sure what day, because some days shifts and stuff like that, but we had a blast. And bring your drinks along. You got to bring your own drinks, and when we're in lockdown it's always nice to have a little drink with friends. And my little tip was a gin and tonic, if you yeah, it's a double. So it is, I'm out of breath because I've so much to do before I go to work. So I've had the dogs out, but it's 8 o'clock there now, and I thought I'll come up because I was thinking of what video to do today, you know, just as you do kind of normally. And there's a certain area that's getting overlooked, and it's not very pretty, you know, and I've just spent a load of time tidying up one area, and I seem to be making a mess of another area. So can we say, I'll tell you what we will do as well, while we're here, just go in and just see, because if you watched the video where I was surprised with all the, man, and there something like leather cutters or something, somebody mentioned, Sarah from up north mentioned what there were, these slugs, these caterpillars, and I'm just having a little look. Has my I'm going to put some more stuff on, which will be another video, and I'll show you what I'm using this time. But I used that, I can't see anything, I don't know if they've just gone, you know, that BT Bacillus thuringiensis, that's what I use, and it's hard to find, so everyone's asking us for links, and I couldn't find any, only this tub that's £60. So where's this mucky area? Right, look at this, Bay 3 is just getting neglected. It's like it's the black sheep of the bays. That's yeah, no, I need to kind of, what I'm going to do is tidy these. I want to put the planks properly, do you know what I mean, so they're like, on, not properly, but like put them, I actually don't know if they will go over, because I've made the measure for there. But anyway, I want to get that tidied up, because I've got leaf mould in there, and that's the point of this video, is to have a look at the end of it what that leaf mould's like. Just if you were thinking of like collecting leaves, this leaf mould is about, is it 2-year-old now? It's probably, is this the, I might be 2 years old, and I haven't really touched much of it, so we will have a look. So most of these top bits of wood are the doorways from here, but will that just, if that one stretches just, then I can put them nice and tidy. Oh, that's working, you see, that's working. Am I still in shot there? I haven't got my head cut off. See that one? Yeah, no, that's all right. I don't want them too heavy, or it might snap. You know what? There's carpets and all sorts in there. What a bugger I am, man. Do you know what I mean? You tidy one area, and then I start another one. That's getting right. Actually, this is a nice thick one, which will be good to support them. Aye. This one here is a little bit thin. Oh, that's looking nicer already, isn't it? See, bags, which always come in handy. Pots, bloody pots. I'm going to take these pots home. Actually, my wife wants some. Get in. I like to get in. Go on, lad. That's rubbish. See, I've even got 2 plastic chairs in there. See, I've got my bloody tomato pots in there. Put them. That's rubbish. Good. I'm going to show you the secret weapon that if you can get a hold of this stuff, it's rapeseed straw for horses bedding. Next year I'm going big, I'm going all out on this. We talked about it last night on the live stream. I wish I had a penny for every bag I bought of this stuff. Keith Singleton's brilliant. Man, there's more crap here than I thought. Two chairs. That's a method of spending money when I use them pots. That's the professionals use that, but I didn't like it, to be honest. Wasn't the same. Look, everything's got its place. There's my bloody brush when I'm doing all the... I've just left it there. Well, I'll leave it back there. So just have a little quick look. So this is my leaf mould, and I'm possibly thinking of mixing this or that bed with this and getting a good bed of like would last us hopefully a couple of years. I mean, this is just leaf mould, you know what I mean? So I need some exercise. Man, oh, look at that, good stuff. But now I've got kind of all that. Take that down for skip day. That was actually, when I think about it, there was more. It looked worse than what it was, you know. So just come with me. So like I say, one day is because the reason being is to combine that leaf mould and that and mix it all up nice and is have like enough for just like a good mulch, where leaf mould is just it's a mulch and there's no like kind of goodness in it. If I mix it with all that, then I've got a load for topping and tailing the beds. Whew, right, I've got to get to work. Look after yourselves, take good care.